your seller account is set up. You've got the hang of selling on Amazon, and you are ready to grow. To help reach more customers, increase sales, and engage shoppers throughout their journey, consider taking advantage of advertising, promotions, deals, and vouchers. When used together, they can create the momentum you need to carry your business to new heights. Get instant visibility with cost-per-click ads. Sponsored products display within Amazon search results and on product pages, right where customers see them. Sponsored brands available for brand owners take it a step further, featuring your logo, headline, and up to 3 products, hoping shoppers see your brand the way you want it to be seen. You control how much to spend, how long the campaign runs, and you only pay when they click. Customers also love getting a deal. Help them out by running deals on one of the most visited pages on Amazon, or offer vouchers allowing users to click for savings in search results, on product pages, or in their shopping carts. Promotions can also help make a sale. Offer money off or buy one get one free promos and get a custom Amazon link to share in your marketing campaigns. Promoting products can be vital to your Amazon strategy, helping you drive sales, launch new products, generate reviews, and much more. The right audience, the right place, and the right time. Give your listings the attention they deserve and start advertising today. Build your business with Amazon. Thank you, and happy selling.